Hi, my name is Amanda Thomas. I hope you all are doing well, and thank you for considering me for the TRU Veterinary Technology Diploma. So a little about me. I was born and raised here in Kamloops, and I've lived here my whole life. I've always had a passion for helping others, and I love animals. In 2022, I worked for the SPCA for a couple months, and I also worked for the North Shore IDA Pharmacy for about 9 months. Currently, I work at the Cat Hospital of Kamloops, and I have been here for about a year. Don't mind Juno. This is my cat. No worries. Go away, Juno. I have a strong understanding of animal health care because of my related work experience. And I have lots of knowledge of medications and pharmaceuticals from my work at the pharmacy. I love my work at the Cat Hospital of Kamloops, but I would want to learn even more and grow, and that's why I want to become a registered veterinary technologist. For my application to this program, I interviewed Lana Babcock, the head RVT at the Cat Hospital of Kamloops. Lana went to Thompson Rivers University and graduated from the RVT program in 2015. Right after graduation, she started working at the Cat Hospital of Kamloops and has been there ever since. I have learned a lot from Lana since I've started working at the Cat Hospital. One of the biggest things I learned is how involved with the owners and the clients you are as an RVT. I assumed before I'd met Lana that RVTs mainly just worked in the back with the diagnostics and worked with the animals there. I didn't realize how often you'd be talking to owners and how big and important communication is in this position. I also learned from Lana that the role of an RVT can be very tough. There's long hours most of the time in this position, and it can be mentally draining having to deal with sick animals and clients who are very stressed and grieving for their animals. And sometimes you do have to watch animals suffer. But the job can also be very rewarding because you get to see these sick animals and you get to help make them feel better, and you get to see the owners be so happy when their animal is feeling better. I think that would be one of my favorite parts of being an RVT, would be seeing a very sick animal come in and watching them improve over time and knowing that it was something that you did that made that animal better. And to go along with that, you're helping that owner, the client, because their animal is no longer sick. Another part of the job that I think I would really like would be just being able to educate and teach clients and children possibly about how to care for their pets properly, and teach them just how their animals work and everything that they need to know to keep their animal healthy and strong. If I had to choose what I think my least favorite part about being an RVT might be, it would probably be knowing that an animal is suffering and being unable to help them. There will be times as an RVT in this profession that there is an animal that's injured or sick and there's just nothing that you can do for them. This might be because the owner doesn't have the funds for their treatment, or maybe there is just other outstanding reasons that they don't want to treat the animal. It can be really hard to see an animal in pain and knowing that there is something you could do for them, but the owner is declining treatment can be very tough. There are many hard parts of being an RVT, but that one would be one of the toughest situations for me. Once I get my RVT certification, I would love to start off my career working in a small animal vet clinic, which is what I'm more used to at the current moment. I would love to perfect all my skills and gain more experience in the position here. And then possibly once I feel comfortable where I am and I'm knowledgeable and my skills are honed, then I might possibly want to look for something more along the lines of research, possibly in a laboratory. This interests me because I always want to learn more, and that position would let me learn and understand even more about many different species of animals. I look forward to starting the veterinary technology course, and I can't wait to learn more about the profession and animal health care. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video and look over my application.